Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into one of the biggest questions of all time: how was Earth formed? Buckle up because it's a wild ride through cosmic history. Around 4.6 billion years ago, our solar system was nothing but a swirling cloud of gas and dust. This cloud, called a solar nebula, began to collapse under its own gravity. As it collapsed, it started to spin and flatten into a disk. Right at the center, the sun was born. But we're here for Earth, right? So, within this disk, particles of dust and ice began sticking together through a process called accretion. Over millions of years, these particles clumped into larger bodies called planetesimals. Some of these planetesimals smashed together to form protoplanets, which are basically baby planets. Exciting, isn't it? One of these protoplanets was our Earth. At first, it was a hot, molten mess, constantly bombarded by other space rocks. This period is known as the Hadean Eon, and trust me, it was no picnic. During this chaotic time, a Mars-sized body named Theia collided with the young Earth. The impact was so intense that it ejected a massive amount of debris into space, which eventually coalesced to form our moon. Pretty cool, huh? As the Earth cooled down, its surface solidified, forming a crust. Volcanic activity was rampant, spewing gases that contributed to our early atmosphere. Water vapor condensed to form oceans, and voila, we had the basic ingredients for life. But wait, there's more. Earth's interior also played a crucial role. The heavier elements like iron sank towards the center, forming the core, while lighter elements formed the mantle and crust. This differentiation is what gives Earth its magnetic field, protecting us from harmful solar radiation. Over billions of years, plate tectonics and volcanic activity shaped the continents and oceans we know today. Life began in the oceans, and eventually some brave organisms made their way onto land. And here we are, billions of years later, trying to understand how it all started. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that we're all made of stardust, forged in the heart of a collapsing nebula. Earth's formation is a story of chaos, collisions, and cosmic wonder. And there you have it, the birth of our planet in just 3 minutes. If you enjoyed this explainer, don't forget to like, subscribe,